Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear cache data from your apps on iPhone. So first of all, generally we clear cache from the browser like Safari for instance. Here to do that, go to the setting option and scroll all the way down and select this apps option, click it and search for Safari. This is the browser in here, so click this Safari option here, and here scroll down, scroll down, and here you can see the option clear history and website data. Click that, and if here you can see another option called close all tabs. Click that, it will close all your tabs and also clear the history and data, basically removing the cache from the browser. Just simply click clear history, it will remove all the cache and your history as well. So this is for Safari. So to do this same, to clear the cache for other apps, it will work a little differently. So I'm gonna go all the way back and go to the general option here. General, click it and select iPhone storage, click it, and here you can find all the apps. So if suppose I want to clear cache from Snapchat, click that apps, and here are two options. You can see the option offload the apps. If you click it, it will, and select offload app, it will offload, basically removing the application. To reinstall it, simply click the reinstall app. It will automatically reinstall your application by clearing all the previous data. So another option is, so I'm going to select another app like WhatsApp. You can select the delete app option and reinstall it. This works basically the same of offloading apps. By deleting it and reinstalling it, it will clear the cache. So this is the way you can clear all the cache from your apps and browser. So I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one.